Hello, this is our all stainless steel 304 multi-grip rivet 4.8 by 12. We are going to show you 5 types of routine tests. The first test is size measurement. The body diameter is 4.81 and 4.8 millimeters. The body length is 12.29 and 12.33 millimeters. The head diameter is 9.15 and 9.23 millimeters. The head thickness is 1.49 and 1.42 millimeters. The mandrel diameter is 3.18 and 3.22 millimeters. The mandrel protrusion is 30.04 and 30.4 millimeters. The second is the riveting test. We prepared washers with hole diameter 5.0 millimeters. The grip range of our BBMG 48120 is 2.0 to 6.5 millimeters. You can check its riveting performance. This is used in minimal thickness 2.0 millimeters, the other one maximal thickness 6.5 millimeters. The third test is mandrel breaking force test. The mandrel is already set in the fixture. It is moving and pulling up. The numerical value is 8,357 newtons. The second mandrel is ready. The result is 8390 newtons. Now we are doing the mandrel retention test. The rivet was riveted in the fixture. Test machine is pushing the mandrel down. It stops. Result is 1352 newtons. Second one. Result is 1014 newtons. The fifth is the tensile and shear test. We prepared the fixture of hole size 5 mm and the thickness is 6 mm. We use riveting tool to set the BBMG 4.8 by 12 rivets on the test fixture and put it into tensile machine. Then, we press the button. The machine is applying 2 opposite forces till the rivet is broken. The first result is 5,243 newtons. Our standard tensile strength is minimum 4,500 newtons. The second result is 5,030 newtons. Then, we put the fixture into the machine and press the button. Let it exert horizontally 2 opposite forces to the rivet until it is broken. Our standard shear force is minimum 4,000 newtons. The first result is 5,042 newtons. The second result is 5,282 newtons. From now on you can detect what make a qualified structural rivet. Thank you for watching this video, and welcome to reach out to us at any time whenever you need our help.